I believe in sizwakho umhlobo
Yeah.
aseke nabo referee nama envelope sihlale ibhola libe mnandi mina ngilethe nil ngiyibona ukuthi uyangidla mara ungangiro
Getting a collab next time, mhlawumbe mawuthola i-collab next time, yini into ongayisho before you decide to decide to say, because I know this field has played, there are so many players that has played here, such as Junior Kanye himself, Jabu Mahlangu, Skarango Bese, different players, Abokalawa, Jasmine Badlalela. Obviously, Nanizalani is because you know ukuthi Mabuya yini, and Mabuya idlala a big team such as River Park, 80 Mamas and other teams. But indlela abaniphatha ngayo namhlanje mhlawumbe ayikanjabulisi to extent mhlawumbe mina engathi ingakani nizizwa kanjani ngokubuya next year.
so with us in River Park we don't have a problem, we honor the invite.
Yeah.
Come rain or sunshine, yeah, who's Junior Kanye? Junior Kanye played for Chiefs. I got 30.
Yeah.
I got Black Cat, Witchcraft in me.
Yeah.
I got Chicho that pay move.
Sure.
I don't have a problem.
Yeah.